Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey. We are now an authorized retailer and the only Southern California retailer that offers the Reviver Auto digital license plate. Here it is installed on a Tesla Model X. As you can see, it's mounted securely with the brackets, security screws on the sides. Currently, the plate offers customization of black to white background, vehicle tracking, and personalization of the messages down below. In the future, you'll be able to get some different types of emojis, more personalized messages, RFID tags. A neat one's gonna be the HOV lane sticker, so you won't need to stick those ugly carpool stickers on your painted bumper or surface. It will now be embedded or part of your license plate digital screen. Currently, this car is showing the Envoy car sharing logo. It's probably not completely registered or a license plate has not been assigned yet. Once again, this is Joe from Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey. If you'd like an Rplate installed on your vehicle, a Tesla or any car with a license plate, give us a call, 310-827-8121. Please mention this video for special install pricing. Thank you.